Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Artsy Adventures with Angie, or Artsy Angie's DIY. Today we're going to be making this quick little pumpkin face out of a paper plate. So all you're going to need is a really sturdy paper plate. I have a nutmeg brown, some white, and then of course we're going to need an orange and a pink. So just 4 colors to make our pumpkin face. We'll need a white marker and a black marker. Something that has a fine tip would be preferable. So just a white paint pen or a marker and a black paint pen. And because we're doing a pumpkin face, other than the colors, we are also going to need some brushes. I have a 3/4 flat, a round brush, and then a very small, tiny flat brush. And it's already in some water. And then of course I'm going to need, I'm using Articchio paint pens, brown and an orange. And that's about it. Let's get started. So what I have done is I went ahead with my pencil and I pre-drew scarecrow face. You could probably use this also as a pumpkin face, but it's really a scarecrow face. So the eyes I did almost like an teardrop shape. And then I did my little candy corn shaped nose. And then of course squiggly line for the mouth and just 4 stitches. Because this is going to be our scarecrow. So I'm going to go ahead and on this I'm going to pour some of that nutmeg brown and my white paint. Of course I had to use my big one. I didn't have time to fill out my other one. So I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of white and we're going to mix it with that brown. So what we're going to try to achieve is mixing the two together with our 3/4 inch flat brush, and we are going to mix those two so we can get a nice type of a beigey lightish brown color for the face, or at least for the base of the face. Now, so that I wouldn't lose the face, I went ahead and outlined the eyes, then the nose, and then the mouth. So we'll go ahead and fast forward this part. Okay, so right here at this point, I noticed I had made a mistake by adding that black liner because the scarecrow lips started to fade with the black outliner. So, of course, my mistake, I went ahead and redid on another plate. Just went ahead and painted the background first instead of doing the outline. So I just went ahead and kept mixing my whites and my browns together. And then I used my blow dryer so we can get it really quickly and nicely dry. And this way we could use the black marker to outline. So I first used my pencil to do the same exact design that I did on my other paper plate with the candy corn and the squiggly line face. So I went ahead and I did it on a different plate. Now I noticed as I was painting on the plate, always use a sturdier, much more microwavable type of safe plate. This one was kind of one of those Dollar Tree flimsy party trays. So I wasn't too crazy about how thin that paper plate was, but I just kept going. So as you can see here, I went ahead and outlined the eyes in my black paint marker. Then I went ahead and halfway through the eyes, I used a dark brown paint marker to do the rest of the eyes in brown. Then with that pink that we showed you earlier, I mixed it with a little bit of white. I used a flat brush to make 2 circles as its cheeks. And then I went back after I had a quick dry on the cheeks. I went ahead and tried looking for a white paint pen to do the dots in the eyes to give it a little bit of that dimension. Then I grabbed my orange paint pen and filled in the nose. And once again, just trying to outline the areas of the eyes, and then of course the mouth with the cross stitch. And just adding a little white details. And then how cute is that with the hat? So there you go. And look how cute he looks with this hat. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can also do this on a round wooden circle for a door hanger. Please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Ciao for now.